Before every innovation sees the light of day, and every robot learns on its own. Before every automobile safely drives itself,
Keep right.
and every rocket ship reaches the stars. Before every product is printed out of thin air, and every digital twin prevents a tragedy. Before every baby takes her first breath, and every virtual reality becomes reality. Before every student has the world at their fingertips, and every patient gets his sight back. Before all this can become real, there is a designer, an entrepreneur, an engineer, a student, a scientist, a visionary, tirelessly working to create a better world, using the most powerful, the most pervasive simulation technology on the planet. Before every product delivers on its promise, there is Ansys.